Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Campsite.bio link for photographers. So basically all you have to do first is go to Campsite.bio and then you have to click get started here. You need to sign up and choose your username. You can sign up using your email, Google or Facebook and then choose a username. This becomes your clickable bio link. Now step 3, you need to choose a plan. It could be free plan for starters, great start for photographers or pro plan. Now upload a clean headshot or brand logo. Use 400 by 400 px4. Best result, you can use Canva for that. Keep it consistent with your Instagram or website brand. Now, step 5, customize your page design. You can go to settings, tap on appearance. You can choose your brand colors, select a photography friendly theme like minimal, clean, add bio like freelance photographer, weddings, portraits, booking below, and so on. You can use neutral colors or black and white to let your images stand out. Step 6, you need to add key links for your photography business. You can add link, for example, view my portfolio, link to your website or Behance, book a session, Calendly, order prints, Etsy, print store, pricing guide, PDF or landing page, contact me, email or type form, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you can show your content. So that's how you easily add links right here. Now, you can also add social icons, add links to your Instagram, Facebook page, YouTube channel, and TikTok. After that, you can now share your link everywhere. You can copy your Campsite.bio link and then paste it to your Instagram bio, TikTok bio, YouTube about section, email section, email signature, and Facebook profile or pin post. So tips for photographers using Campsite.bio: update your gallery, keep no more than 5 to 7 links, use strong CTAs, add testimonials or a link to Google reviews, promote your link in story highlights or pin reels. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.